Hello students, welcome to my new channel. Today I am going to start lesson 10 mensuration of class 6 NCERT book. What is mensuration? Mensuration means measurement. Measurement of objects. Mensuration means measurement of objects. In mathematics, measurements here we do of different figures. So we are going to learn different types of figure and their measurements. So today first thing we have to study is perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter, if you are taking any figure in any shaped figure, then perimeter means distance covered along the boundary of the figure in one round. मीन्स कहने का अर्थ ये हुआ एक बार में यहाँ से अगर हम स्टार्ट करते हैं तो एक बार में जो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड हुआ यहाँ से लेके फिर रिटर्न टू दैट पॉइंट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, उसको हम लोग कहते हैं पेरीमीटर. अगर इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग अबाउट ए रेक्टेंगल ऑफ और यू आर टेकिंग अबाउट द टेबल, दैट मीन्स इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग द टेबल, the distance from here to here, then from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. If the side is given 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, then perimeter of this table will be 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 centimeter. Because distance covered in one round is known as perimeter. So like that, for any figure we can find the perimeter by adding all the sides. We have to add all the sides. सभी sides को हम लोग जोड़ देंगे, चाहे कोई भी फिगर, जैसे कि मान लीजिए इसी का था 4 सेंटीमीटर, 5 सेंटीमीटर, 6, 7, 3, 2, तो the perimeter of this figure will equal to 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 2. इन सब को जोड़ देंगे, जितना साइड है इसका उसको जोड़ देंगे, इसी को पेरीमीटर कहते हैं. सो पेरीमीटर वी हैव स्टडीड हियर सम ऑफ ऑल द साइड्स. इफ द साइड्स आर गिवन वी विल ऐड देम एंड फाइंड द पेरीमीटर. In your book, few diagrams are given. You will find the perimeter according to the sides, adding them. Then we have perimeters of rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? Here, this one is rectangle. So, to find the perimeter, what we have done? We have added all the sides. Since we can see here, this side is equal to this side and this one is equal to this. If this is length, this is breadth, this is length, this is breadth, then perimeter of rectangle is equal to L plus B plus L plus B, means length plus breadth plus length, यानी 2 times length plus 2 times breadth. That means if you are taking 2 common, then it is 2 into L plus B. This is the general formula of perimeter. If perimeter length and breadth is given, we can find the perimeter of rectangle by using this formula, that is 2 into L plus B, means 2 into length plus breadth. Very clear? If you have to find length is given 6 centimeter, breadth 4 centimeter, then perimeter is simply 2 into length plus breadth. Then put the value of length, that is length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. That is 2 into 10 centimeter, that is 20 centimeter. If you are adding all the side also, you will get 20 centimeter. So this is the general formula for perimeter. Then we have perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? That is what is a square? First you understand what is a square. A closed 4-sided figure. Square, I am telling about square. Square क्या है? It is 4-sided figure whose all sides are equal, that is AB, BC, CD and AD, means AB is equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All sides are equal, then it is a square. All the angles will be 90 degree. All the four angles will be 90 degree. Then diagonals are equal. Both these diagonals will be equal. AC is equal to BD. Then it is a square. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, because all the sides are equal. So perimeter of a square we will write. This one is first formula, this one is second. Perimeter of a square we will take as 4 into side. If one of the side is given, we can find the perimeter. Third one is perimeter of equilateral triangle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral, what is equilateral triangle? A triangle whose all the three sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal means if one side is 3 centimeter, then all the three sides will be 3 centimeter, like this, 3, 3, 3. So in this case it will be 3 into side. 3 into side. This is the formula. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into length of this side. From this, sometime question is given that if the length is given and perimeter is given, question is said to find the breadth. उन्हें कहा जाता है कि perimeter दिया हुआ है, length आपका दिया हुआ है, तो breadth find करो, find the breadth. For that we can write the formula by ourselves. We can do length of rectangle. We will solve. Rectangle is equal to perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Then we have formula breadth. Breadth of rectangle is equal to perimeter divided by 2 minus length. Means if breadth is we have to find, then perimeter and length will be given. If length of the rectangle we have to find, then perimeter and breadth should be given. Then from here perimeter of a square is given, we have to find the side. Then side of a square equal to perimeter of a square divided by 4. Since 4 is here multiplied, so we will take this side, then it will be divided. Then last formula you have side of equilateral triangle. Side of equilateral triangle is equal to perimeter divided by 3, because all triangles have only 3 sides. These 7 formulas are very useful in your exercise, doing exercise 10.1. So please get by heart these formulas. Once again I will explain all the formula. Perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B. Second is perimeter of square, 4 into side. Third one, perimeter of equilateral triangle, 3 into side. Length of rectangle, if perimeter is given, then perimeter by 2 minus breadth. Breadth of rectangle, perimeter by 2 minus length. Then side of square, perimeter of square by 4. Side of equilateral triangle is perimeter by 3. These 7 formulas are very important for your doing exercise 10.1. So exercise 10.1, I am going to write the question, then we will solve one by one. So see first question. So I am giving some example questions. First one, find the perimeter of rectangle whose sides are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. This is the question. Find the perimeter of rectangle whose sides are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So how to solve the solution? You will write like this. Given. What is given? Sides are given. Longer side is length. So given length equal to 8 centimeter and breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. Since we know perimeter of rectangle is equal to perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. You can L plus B, 2 into L plus B. Now put the value 2 into length is 8 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. That is 2 into 8 plus 6, 14 centimeter. That is 2 into 14, 28 centimeter. This is your answer, solution. Next question I am giving. Find the perimeter of square whose sides are 14 centimeter. This is the second question. So solution, what is given in this question? Side of square is given. Side of square is equal to 14 centimeter. This one is given. You write here given. Since we know that perimeter of square is equal to, we have studied the formula, 4 into side, that is 4 into side is 14 centimeter, 14 4 ja 56 centimeter. This is the solution. So these types of question we can solve by using the formulas. So for exercise, see the next video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.